Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to install iPhone keyboard on your Samsung mobile. Follow these easy steps and I will show you exactly how to install iPhone keyboard on your Samsung mobile. First of all, we have to install an app. So go to your Play Store and search for iOS style emoji, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this app in your Android phone. Once the app installed, open the app and now tap on skip, tap on select and choose input method. You have to select here iOS style emojis and select your keyboard language and tap on done and tap on theme. And here you will find all of iPhone keyboards. You can select any of them. Let's select iPhone default light keyboard and just tap on apply to apply the keyboard. And now I'm going to opening my Notes app to show you the result. And as you can see, iPhone keyboard successfully installed in my Samsung mobile. Now to change vibration for key press or to change sound, go to the app again. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right and here you can enable or disable toolbar above keyboard. You can enable sound for key press. You can disable or enable pop-up on key press. You can also enable or disable key press vibrate. So go ahead and customize your iOS keyboard according to your requirements, and that's it. This is how we can install iPhone keyboard on our Samsung mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.